Hi everyone, I am Vidya. Welcome back to my channel Vidya Ka Gyan. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video update. The Buddhist cave in India forms an important part of Indian rock cut architecture and are among the most prolific example of rock cut architecture around the world. There are more than 1500 known rock cut structure in India, out of which about thousands were made by Buddhists, mainly between 200 BCE and 600 CE. So now let's see some of the famous Buddhist cave in India. Karle Caves. It is a complex of ancient Buddhist Indian rock cut caves situated near Lonavala, Maharashtra. The shrines were developed over the period from 2nd century BC to the 5th century AD. The oldest of the caves, shrines, is believed to date back to 160 BC, having arisen near a major ancient trade route running eastward from the Arabian Sea into the Deccan. It has a large chaitya and three viharas. Animals and human figures are engraved on these caves. Ajanta caves are approximately 30 rock cut Buddhist cave monuments which date from 2nd century BCE to about 480 CE in Aurangabad district of Maharashtra, state of India. The cave include paintings and rock cut sculptures described as among the finest surviving example of ancient Indian art, particularly expressive paintings that present emotions through gesture, pose and form. Aurangabad caves are 12 rock cut Buddhist shrines located on a hill running roughly east to west close to the city of Aurangabad, Maharashtra. The first reference to the Aurangabad caves is in the Great Chaitya of Kaneri caves. The Aurangabad caves were dug out of comparatively soft basalt rock during the 6th and 7th century. The carvings at Aurangabad caves are notable for including Hinayan style stup, Mahayana artworks and Vajrayana goddess. These caves are among those in India that shows first million CE Buddhist artwork with goddess such as Durga and god such as Ganesha. Although Buddhist cave in other parts of India with these arts are older, numerous Buddhist deities of the Tantra traditions are also carved in these caves. Bedsa Caves lies in the district of Pune and date back to the 1st century BC, and they were maintained over the century until around 1861. There are two caves here with a smaller cave around. The Chaitya cave consists of a large stup, while other caves in a monastery and residential part of structure. The carvings are not as ornate as those found in other caves in Maharashtra, but they come alive in the early morning sunlight. The stup on the outside is also magnificent sight. Bhaja Caves, one of the larger group of cave in this list, the Bhaja Cave were carved out as early as in 2nd century BC, located near the popular hill station of Lonavala. There are 22 caves in this group and part of caves temple are protected by national monument. The Bhaja caves have several noteworthy features, from early examples of wooden architecture and carvings of early forms of dance and music instruments. Pandavleni caves. With a history dating to the 2nd century BC, the Pandavleni caves are an example of Hinayan Buddhist architecture. They are also called Pandu caves, but they actually have no connection to the heroes of Mahabharata. Considered a holy Buddhist pilgrimage site, the Pandavleni caves lies around 8 kilometers south of Nashik city and were built as donations by Buddhist kings and traders. Some of these caves are connected by stone cut ladders, and you can find steps leading up to the caves from the foot of the hill itself. Pittalkhor Caves. The 14 Pittalkhor caves lies along the Satmala hills of the Western Ghats, with many of them dating back to 3rd century BC, making them older than the Ajanta caves. In fact, Pittalkhor caves are among the earliest form of rock architecture in the country. They lie around 40 km from the Ellora Caves in Aurangabad district, down a steep flight of stairs and beside a waterfall, making for a scenic backdrop. Kaneri Caves, lying on a hillside, the popular Kaneri Caves lies within the Sanjay Gandhi National Park in Mumbai and consist of inscriptions, paintings and sculptures carved out between the 1st and 10th century CE. There are around 109 caves in this vast complex, with some of them being only recent discoveries. You can find several relief structure of Buddha and the Bodhisattva here, indicating the importance of the cave as a key Konkan Buddhist settlement. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, do like, do comment, and new viewers, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest video update. You can also follow me on Instagram. Till then, bye friends, see you in the next video.